Hey, let's go. Freedom.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing. Please get into her. If you are new to my channel, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun. Hopefully you're planning on sticking around. And if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, come on and let's get into Who's That Girl. Okay, now that I got her all the way together, I wanted to step outside of my comfort zone and get other wigs from other wig companies. I tend to stick with Outre, Sensational, Bobbi Boss, those wigs, Janet Mel Collection, my heart, you know, those companies. But I decided to go ahead and, like I said, step outside my comfort zone and try something else. This wig is from Sister Wig Company. I think it's Sister Wig Company. Her name is Daisha, and I got her in the color FS1B30. Now she is a braided style. It's the Fulani braid style, and it has HD lace. She's hand tied and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. She's a 13x4 braided hairstyle. Now her stock card doesn't really say too much. This is what she's giving on the card. Let me pull that back for you. As you can see, the back just has instructions on how to clean her and other wigs in her color, like a 1B2 99J, which would probably look awesome in, an SOM 2730 and a burgundy color, as well as a FS1B30. This is made in Bangladesh. Oh snap. Anyway, that's what her stock card. Okay, so Miss Thing is a standard wig. She comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. She is somewhat big head friendly, not really. She comes about right over here to me, and you know, my edges reach about here, so maybe like an inch of my hair would be out. But I did slick down the hair and made sideburns. It did come with the baby hairs, as you can see. I swooped it, swooped it, because I felt like she needed it, and it came with this. So I said, have it. You know what I'm saying? Why not swoop? I mean, I was trying to lead that 2022, but okay, we here. Did she tangle? She's definitely gonna tangle. She did have some shedding. I don't know if the shedding was because of me having to cut some of the hair in the front, but I didn't really brush her out, comb her out, or anything like that. I took her out the bag. I literally put her on and did all this stuff in the front. which I mean by melting her down, putting powder and the baby hairs and all that other stuff. But the actual hair, of course, because she's a braided style, I didn't really have to do much to her. Now, as you can see, she has the black, but she also has highlights of brown in her. She's so cute. Highlights of brown. So the 1B/30, and they're all actually in the braid as well. And this braided detail is you getting to her. It actually looks like some Africans did this bad boy. I ain't even gonna hold you. This looks good. I purchased this wig because I'm planning on going on vacation soon, and I thought she would be a cute vacation on the beach type of wig. I know we're still in January, folks, so about to be February tomorrow, and it's still kind of cold outside, but we gonna get ready for the summer. You hear me? Spring/summer, get ready for your girl, okay? Because with this wig, I'm showing up to all the pool parties. I'm showing up to the backyard parties. I'm showing up. It's not that bad. I mean, she's soft, don't get me wrong, but she's also giving off like Barbie doll hair, if that makes sense, like that. You know when you get like a synthetic wig and you're like, oh no, this is synthetic? Yeah, you wouldn't want nobody playing with your hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. You understand what I'm saying? But she is adorable. Where would I wear her to? Again, like I said, she is the perfect vacation hair. To the beach, pool parties, anywhere tropical. She's giving the tropical vibes for me. I don't know. Would I buy her again? I probably would. I would buy her again. In a darker color? No, maybe in a lighter color. I would like to see her in burgundy, or maybe in the 1, because I think in the 1 she would look really nice. But anyway, this is giving. She is giving. Let me turn around to the back so you can see what she's looking like. Oh, if I can get back there for you. She actually reaches the top of my derriere. Yes, she reaches the top of my derriere. I have a sister wig from about, I want to say 3, no, I'm lying, older than my son, 5 years ago, and she ate. Oh, Miss Brittany, she ate. If I can insert a clip, I will. And I still have that wig because, you know, this company, that's why I took a chance on getting this wig in the first place, because I was like, I already purchased a wig from this company and I knew that she was going to eat, but I ain't think she was a gobble it all up. You know what I'm saying? She cute. She cute. Anyway, folks, if you like what you see, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, and she bad, you will go ahead and get notified. Alright, folks, love you, bye.